Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you the Gling AI tutorial. Gling AI is a tool designed for automatic video editing, making it easier for content creators to cut silences